In this video, I'll show you how you can allow your microphone and camera access on Google Chrome. Now first what you want to do is you want to open up Google Chrome, and from in here click on the three dots and head over to settings. Now once you open up settings here on the left hand side, there should be a privacy and security. Once you open this, it should look exactly like this, and at the bottom you will be able to see site settings. Now if you open up this one and you scroll down a little bit, you can see camera and microphone. Now if you click on camera, you can see here you can choose which option you want, don't allow, or sites can ask to use it. And it's the same with microphone. You can do it just like this. Don't allow, or you want them to ask for it. So that's basically how you can do it, guys. Now once you've updated your options, you need to reload your page, otherwise it's not gonna take the new options. Now once you've done that, it should hopefully work, guys, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.